the temp, the usage, GPU wattage. I had to change around a little bit of the wording because the simple fact is that, it sounded better. Welcome back. Good to see you there, gang. Welcome back to the fam. Well, it's welcome back to the fam. Well, whatever. You guys think I'm crazy. You guys sometimes think I'm drunk or whatever, Look. This right here is my version of Gatorade. Okay, no alcohol. Just wanted to bring that point really quick to you. Because I can't drink. I can't do illicit drugs. I take medication. I have brain damage. Damn! If you didn't know. Just because I don't get myself all hyped up trying to get your attention and everything else, guess what? Look, I try to stay subtle. I try to stay pleasant, and I got a nose itch. And, I try to, keep on a positive note. But if you guys want me to be negative, leave a comment down below. I'm sure I can work up some negative stuff if you like. Police! Help! Police! But that's not why you're here. Why you're here is the fact of what I've been doing. Right here. If you've noticed, watch. Look at my cursor. And I know, MTBK, you're going to thank me for the cursor. So look, I got a big old booty cursor right there for you. Now, you can go right top here that says the RTX 4070, the core clock. Gives you the core clock, the temp, the usage, GPU wattage. I had to change around a little bit of the wording because the simple fact is that, it sounded better. I mean, they put GPU voltage, then they put GPU voltage percent, and it's not. Okay, it's not the voltage. Right here is the voltage. Just to let you know that. This is the wattage, and this is the wattage percent. This is the VRAM of usage. For some reason, it's 199. We'll have to figure that out why, because that's not correct. Okay, so system clock, that's right. System memory usage is correct. I got the CPU core clock, the Ryzen 5700X. AM4, not AM5, AM4. Okay. I got the percentage. I got the temperature, percentage, the wattage. See, I even fixed that up about the wattage. The system RAM, the usage, the memory clock, the memory usage, that's system RAM. This is, okay, I'm going to have to fix that. This is in the wrong spot. But we'll fix that. We'll take this one off and we'll fix this one right here. Because I got this in the wrong spot. Look, I'll do it with y'all so that way y'all can see. I did that on purpose anyway, so y'all can see. So let's go ahead and dive right back into it. And we're going to go back into it and y'all can see what I've been doing. Okay. Right here at the monitoring, All the stuff that was mixed up all around the place, I pulled it right to the top, rearranged it, okay, rearranged it, and got it looking, spiffy. So basically, this process right here, I put, what was it? The VRAM usage, that's not correct. That's not correct. So we know that. We'll take that completely out. And we'll rename it later. We don't really need it named right now. So now let's go ahead and fix what y'all think I made a mistake on. Memory usage, system memory usage right here. Okay, system RAM is system memory usage. Okay, so now, right down here, where it says system memory, you take it off. Okay, so we put RTX 4070 VRAM usage and hit apply. Now see, it moved. See where this is now? Now we're going to take and move this upwards. So we take this and we scroll it upwards and find where it belongs. Okay, so GPU voltage is right there. That's where that belongs. This we'll put down here for now. We don't need that anyway. So we just got a little bit more rearranging. Let's see. RAM usage goes upwards. Oh, sorry. I was playing around with it. GPU voltage. Uh-oh. Now I definitely boo-booed. RAM usage is right there. System RAM. Power percent. So power percent as RAM usage is downwards. Takes a little bit of practice. If you're not sure, just hit cancel. And then we can go back into it again. Always remember, don't hit apply if you're not sure. So basically now we can look back up on our chart here. Hey, if I make a mistake, I'm taking you guys along with me. If I screw things up, I'm going to screw it up with you. Damn! So now we're looking for the system RAM. Okay, so right here is system RAM. Right here is system RAM. So now we go down to memory usage and we push this upwards. Let's see, GPU voltage. right here and hit apply. Come on. There we go. Now it's in the right spot, y'all. Now we got it all in the right spot. Okay. So that's it. As you can see, there's not much to it. Basically, all you're doing is, let's say you want to take your fan tachometer. Make sure you check it on right there. Show on screen, hit apply. Okay. Right down here, you'll see it says GPU. The RPMs for the fan. So what you want to do is you want to override where it says GPU. Okay, so if that's for the fan, GPU fan, then you got to make sure it's either 1 or 2 before you do it. Okay, before you do it, you got to make sure that it's fan 1 or 2. And we're going to look it up to make sure. So you got fan tachometer 2, fan tachometer 1. Okay, so this is your fan tachometer 1's for my pump, because I got an AIO cooler. My bad, it's for the pump. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this up really quick. And we're going to put AIO. And we're going to put pump. This way we can monitor. This way we can monitor the AIO pump. And we're going to move that fan tachometer upwards. And we're going to move it, if we can get it in the right position. Okay, we'll put it right there. And we're going to apply it. There we go. That looks pretty good. We'll put it right there. And if you want to, okay, so you're going to do a / and hit N right in front of the AIO and then hit apply. Boom. You put a space there. That'll allow you to put a space. So now I got a space for the AIO pump. Now I can go to tachometer 2. I can go to tachometer 2, click it on, show on screen, and hit apply. And that's going to be for the fans. That's going to be for the fans. So, but I know the fans are running. I don't need to do it for the fans. Seriously, I don't. So we'll take this off and we'll uncheck that and hit apply. I only need that for the pump. Something happens with the pump, the AIO GPU pump, not GPU. Oh my God. I swear to God, I'm surprised you guys did not catch me on this. CPU, not GPU. I was hoping you guys would have caught me on it. But you didn't. I caught it. So there we go. CPU pump, and then hit OK, and then now you're done. That's it. I'm done. I don't need to put any more information other than what I have here. I mean, I got my frame time in milliseconds. I got my frame rate, the 0.1% lows. I got my 1% lows. I got my average, and I got my frame rate in real time. So this is my average, and this is my real time. So you can see the real time, the average, the lows, and whatever. I got it all set right here. You can see my system clock. You can see the system RAM usage. You can see everything about the CPU, the core clock, the CPU temp on all cores. Okay, this is all core. Then you got your CPU usage. You get your CPU wattage. I didn't find one for the CPU wattage usage. I didn't find one for that. But that's good enough for me. I just need to know what it's doing in watts. And obviously running this right here, I'm running the 4070 at stock. Okay. So that's pretty much the bottom line. I mean, there's nothing else much more I can do with this. Obviously, you guys seen how, you can modify the monitoring and do it like this. If you need more information, get into my Discord. If you can't get to my Discord, leave me a message on this video and I'll send you a link. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if this is your first time here, you can subscribe, like, and ring that bell so you see when I post the next video. Until the next time in the next video, you know it is, and we'll see you on the next one.